Hello everyone. If you have Kali Linux installed on a VMware virtual machine and you are scanning your local network to find other operating systems, some devices and so on, but it doesn't find anything except for Kali's own network, then you just need to modify a couple of settings, in the virtual machine itself. Here's an example of what it finds. So you'll have something like 3 IP addresses that belong only to Kali, but not to the host operating system. That would be Windows 10 or Windows 11, depending on which one you have installed, right? So you won't be able to scan Windows until you change 2 settings in the virtual machine. First, you need to shut down this virtual machine. Please shut it down now, and then carefully go to the Edit Virtual Machine Settings option. First, go to Network Adapters, then carefully select this checkbox, making sure it is checked, and finally click OK to confirm your selection. Then simply go to the Edit menu and select the Virtual Network Editor option. And here in the first item, we're going to change this from automatic. I'll set it here to my own external Wi-Fi adapter, the one that's in my laptop. It's a TP-Link, and then I'll apply the settings. Okay, that's it. Now everything should work. Let's start the operating system. So the Wi-Fi connection from the host operating system is now successfully bridged and shared with our Kali Linux virtual machine. Now let's go ahead and run a comprehensive scan to see what devices and networks are currently available. Let's scan the local network one more time just to be sure again. So we just type in netdiscover into the terminal. Yes, there we go. It's finding everything. It's finding our TP links, the router, the second laptop. It finds the phone. Well, it finds everything. Thank you all.